진수야, 발바닥은 그냥 맨바닥에서 해도 돼. 얘는 나오면서 손가락 찡겼고, 얘는 지금 신발 벗기 싫어가지고 지금 이러고 있고. 신발 벗어, 진수야. Magandang umaga. Hi. Hi,
to the camera.
Luisa din yung kuya dito ako.
Hopping tour. We're going to. Yeah. We get off in 10 minutes. Oh, no.
The normal lang yun. You should be able to try Jollibee next time.
I see. 넌 네가 내려오려고? 오케이, thank you.
Yep.
오케이, 가자. 뒤에 모터사이클 온다. 진수 이쪽으로, 엄마 쪽으로부터. You'll probably have crab in there. Oh no! Okay. Ooh! Yeah. This is like all wet. Oh, this one. Okay, nice. Be careful, okay? Thank you. Hi.
Finally, mommy swam yesterday.
Bye.
Life jacket.
Yeah. Wait, so what are we gonna do then?
Bye. Chadwick dolphin.
We literally ran into a jellyfish on the way to bed. I was swimming here. Save you, and you have a life.
파이팅, 조코.
Turn it.
키스부터 먼저 가보자.
Also, I want my snorkel.
오케이. 와우, 이제. 오케이.
You can do it, Daddy. Don't be scared.
자, 액션!
It's moving. I do.
We're almost there. It's right here.
Finally. Yeah.
Can you put this over there?
Okay, boiled egg. Okay.
Coming down. Wait.
하이. 아빠를 봐야 되겠네.
Right in front of you.
됐다. 에이, 눈 그렇게 하지 말고. 입 닫고, 입 닫고. 물속에 이제 들어가 봐. 입으로 들어줘야 돼, 입. 여기 앉아봐. 앉으면 따뜻해. 앉아. 그렇지. 아, 따뜻해. 얘는 추우면서도 엄청 열심히 해. 여기는 너무 얕아가지고 걸어가야 돼. 아?
I found a sea urchin.
Look over there. Look over there. The more our body moves, our body starts warming up. Is that up?
Yeah.
3 here.
Okay.
Is that for us? Okay.
Still.
Be still and know that I'm God.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yes. Yeah.
Ayun na, hindi ko alam. Ano siya? Gas. Okay. Gas.
Yes. But still, it's like light.
But years ago already. 1, 2, and the oceans rise and thunders roar. I will soar with you above. I will soar with you above the storm.
Where during the daytime people don't come out, and nighttime everyone comes out.
Yeah.
Right?
Hey!
Fun.
You must be really tired. She didn't take a nap at all.
We
Salamat po. You wanna go on? You wanna go up with Tatay Joko? Noah, you wanna go with Tatay Joko?
I think that's the Y is for the
Gigi, look here. Look. Hi. Ooh, what is that? Ooh.
Huh?
Chicken joint.
chicken joint.
With drink, fries. He wants fries.
Right? 1, 2. Just only that. Only hot dog.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
When I saw her hair. I'll put the ketchup here, okay, Hyunsu?
Yeah.
Man, we are getting bitten alive. Like I'm putting. Abigail, do you want more fries? Not here,
Tatai.
Nothing in the tuk-tuk yet. We're gonna go buy a few things.
Walk along the side. raining.
Bye. Wanna go 7-Eleven or Mart? Mart.
Right there. Ah,
It's
so
more noisy there.
people just come here.
Few drinks also. So I remember this is a gelato.
We have lemon flavor.
Lemon color pistachio.
기다려봐, 현지야. Maybe we can go back and then stop by the convenience store.
Yeah, Where's Hansu?
현수, he already went.
Nope.
Bye. Come further.
After his work at the hotel, yeah, he drives the tuk-tuk. That would be our thing.
See ya.